All right, so the Congress has called yesterday's violence in Delhi a pre-planned conspiracy to malign the farmer agitation, a conspiracy that the Congress says had the support of the central government. They've also named Deep Sidhu, activist, saying that he was present at the Red Fort and the Congress says that he's been seen in the past pictured with Prime Minister and Amit Shah and also seen meeting those leaders. The events which unfolded in the national capital on Republic Day seems to now have created a ripple effect in Haryana, with villagers having asked the protesters in Karnal and Rewari districts to call off their agitation. Let's go across to Mohammad Ghazali to get more details on it. Ghazali, so are the villagers telling the farmer who are protesting to withdraw their protest?
Yeah, Rohit, this is happening at many locations in Haryana. First, I'll tell you that many villagers who came to attend the tractor parade for the Republic Day, they are also moving back. So that was usually expected that they had arrived only to attend the Republic Day protest or the tractor march. But there are many locations in Haryana where farmers have been sitting or have been holding this sit-in protest, like Singhu-Tikri border, like two locations which we know as of now is one in Rewari district and there is one location in Karnal district. And at both the locations, the local villagers, they approached these protesters asking them to lift their protest. In Karnal, even the police officials from the district administration also joined the villagers, approached and appealed the protesters to lift the protest. And as of now, we are getting confirmed reports that from the Bastara toll plaza in Karnal district, the protesters have lifted their agitation. From Rewari, some 15 villages from where this protest was happening, the surrounding 15 villages, they held a meeting and they also approached the protesters to sort of lift their protest. Now, even those protesters who are returning from Delhi on their tractors, in some locations in Haryana, we got to know that the local villagers or the local youths, they forced these farmers to remove the farm flags installed on their tractors. So such incidents are being reported through the day across Haryana.
All right, Ghazali, stay with us. The other story that's breaking right now is the INLD MLA Abhay Chautala has submitted his resignation to the Assembly Speaker and that resignation has been accepted. Ghazali, give us the details of this.
See, Abhay Chautala is the only MLA in the 90-member assembly in the Haryana Assembly, and he is from INLD. So he has given he had said to the Speaker like 2 weeks back that if by 26 January the laws are not repealed, then he will offer his resignation. So today on 27th, he approached the Speaker, he gave his resignation, and that is going to create a sort of pressure on other parties which claim to be pro-farmer, like the JJP, which is JJP has the Deputy CM Dushyant Chautala, who is from JJP and is nephew of Abhay Chautala. So it will also create a sort of pressure on other parties who are in power and yet claim to be with the farmers. Meanwhile, the Congress leader and former CM in Haryana, Bhupendra Singh Hooda, has termed it as a ploy because Congress has been demanding that they want to go ahead with a no confidence motion in the assembly. They have not been permitted or they have not been given permission by the governor there. But the Congress says that if Abhay Chautala resigns from the assembly, then in some way or the other, it is only going to help the government in the assembly when it comes to voting. So as of now, Abhay Chautala has resigned and the pressure is on the JJP leaders and MLAs who are already facing opposition across Haryana for supporting the farm bills.
All right, Mohammad Ghazali, for the moment, thanks very much for joining us with those details. So let's take this big developing story on the farmers' protests and the violence aftermath to our panelists. Joining us right now is Mr. B.S. Gurjar, former Additional Commissioner of Police of the National Capital, Delhi, Hanan Molla, Member Coordination Committee of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha, and PKD Nambiar, political analyst, also joining us. Mr. Nambiar, to you first. The Congress has called the violence in Delhi a pre-planned conspiracy to malign farmers' agitation. They have in fact laid the blame squarely at the doorstep of the centre. What's your reaction?
It is on one thing which I definitely agree with Mr. Surjewala, that the Congress statement, it is a pre-planned. The only thing is who planned it, how it has been executed is something. It's absolutely the opposite. If you really look at the sequence of event, one by one, from everything what the farmer organizations have been asked, the permission had been completely given by the government, but they went back from one after another. In fact, the whole permission was given for after the Republic Day parade after 12 o'clock, but they started their agitation and the march from 8 a.m. onwards. They went all across. It has got a political patronage. It was a completely politically motivated. It has got everything which is.
Who motivated it, sir? According to you, who motivated it?
I would say there is no doubt about that. There are different forces are behind it. Of course, there is also the opposition. The parties are supporting this the whole movement from the back. That's all. The only thing is that they were not allowed to come in the front.
Are you saying they instigated the violence? The opposition parties triggered or instigated these miscreants to indulge into violence?
See, since the opposition parties were not directly a party to the agitation march, it may be wrong to say that they were instigating on the ground. But then you will have to understand, Rohit, on why these people have chosen a day that is 26th of January, which is the whole world is looking at the mighty power of India as a republic.
Right.
On the same day, why they have chosen, why they have allowed even the same.
Well, some of the farmer leaders and the opposition.
Such kind of a crowd, why they have even allowed such kind of a
program.
We'll
take that question to Mr. Hanan Molla. We'll take that question to Mr. Hanan Molla. But before that, Mr. B.S. Gurjar, the former top cop of Delhi, joins me on the phone line. Mr. Gurjar, would you call this an intelligence failure? I mean, how did the police not know how many farmers, how many tractors would be there? Where does the buck stop for this violence?
In fact, the Delhi police may have given permission with some conditions. And during the procession, if the conditions are breached, then how it will come to the notice of the police? Yesterday, we have seen the incident happened at Lal Killa.
Yes.
Which was absolutely not acceptable in a country like ours. Where the police has given permission to go for a bar, then they should have been obeyed that.
Doesn't the police factor in any possibilities of such things happening, sir? It's the Republic Day when the entire area is sanitized and the miscreants managed to get as far as to the Red Fort. Is it not the failure of the policing at some level, sir?
No, but if you use force at one point of time, that was not absolutely acceptable on the occasion of national occasion. So, in fact, whenever the permission is given by police, they must have created some barriers. They must have agreed on some points where they will have to take a turn back to the original point from where the procession have started.
Right.
In fact, whatever we have understood and whatever we get information from the TV and the newspapers, the procession farmers did not obey the directions and they go themselves, and the result came into which is absolutely not acceptable.
All right, Mr. Gurjar, let's talk.
Think of going such incident.
All right, let's talk about what's happening in the aftermath. The cases have been registered. Farmer leaders have been named. Now, Congress party, for example, the opposition, which is blaming the government, saying that this protest had not the protest, the violence had the support, the conspiracy had the support of the central government. They are also saying, why are you booking the farmer leaders who have distanced themselves from the protest? Why don't you book the miscreants who caused this? It's all on camera.
Rohit, can I come in?
One second. This is to Mr. Gurjar. I'll come to you, Mr. Nambi.
In fact, the FIR is registered. It's the first information, whatever they got is registered. When it will go for a deep investigation, absolutely the miscreant will be arrested, not the leader. So person who is not responsible for the act will not be arrested. Certainly, once the investigating agency go for thorough investigation, they will find out who is the miscreant and which is the force. And absolutely, I assure you that only the person who is responsible will be arrested in future.
All right. Mr. Nambiar, the opposition is alleging that not you, the BJP, the central government, is trying to discredit the farmers' agitation. What would you say to that?
No, it is, I don't think the center...
Because there have been rounds and rounds of talks which have been inconclusive, and then there were allegations against these farmers that there are some extremist groups amidst these farmers. Now, they are saying, the Congress alleges that the BJP is trying to discredit this farmers' agitation when nothing has worked, nothing else, no other strategy has worked for them.
Say, Rohit, anybody, it's all in the open. There is nothing which is hidden in this whole agitation and as well as the conversation from the last 63 days. If there is an agitation is going on, there was 10 or 11 rounds of talks were happening between the government and the farmers.
Yes.
So the farmers have been in this case have taken that either our way or on the highway. They were initially, they have started with an MSP. Then they said they wanted this. Finally, they have come to a conclusion that it's only the repealing the law. So they are the one who is so much adamant with having some kind. They have gone back one after another.
Yes.
I think the central government in this case have been very, very generous. I believe that
Yes.
India is a country, Jai Jawan and Jai Kisan, this comes into the heart and soul of every individual, including the government.
Yes.
But I feel that what happened yesterday was nothing other than a conspiracy and a pre-planned effort, which
All
is
right.
supported by the opposition in this case. What Surjewala
Supported
is
by the
saying
opposition,
today
but
is-
you are not offering any
is trying-
evidence of that.
So now let me tell you,
Yes.
the clear evidence is the press conference of Mr. Surjewala today. What
Right.
he was telling in the entire press conference was trying to, in a way, giving a clean sheet to what happened yesterday and putting everything onto the center.
All right.
And he's claiming that Deep Sidhu is a part of the central government conspiracy. Come on, man, this is something like we are not a banana
All right.
republic. All the Indians are not the fools sitting and hearing the whatever he is saying.
All
I
right,
think
let
it
me
is
take this
a
to
shame
Mr.
on
R.S.
all-
Cheema, a farmer leader who's joining us on the phone line. Mr. Cheema, Mr. Nambiar appears to suggest that it's the opposition which triggered this violence, and they are the ones who triggered these miscreants to indulge in yesterday's hooliganism. What's your reaction to that? Mr. Cheema, can you hear me?
देखो
जी
ऐसा
जी
है जी
बोलें.
कि जहाँ तक इस वायलेंस का सवाल है, इसमें हम किसी को भी ब्लेम नहीं करना चाहते,
जी
लेकिन ये अनफॉर्चुनेट हुआ है जो भी हुआ है। पर इसमें एक बात जरूर थी कि जो रूट किसानों को दिए गए थे,
जी
उस रूट को बंद करके दूसरे रूट को खोल दिया गया। तो इसमें मतलब मैं चाहूंगा आपसे भी कि उन जो स्पॉट हैं जहां से टर्न करना था फार्मर्स ने, उनकी कम से कम आपके चैनलों से वो जरूर दिखाया जाना चाहिए कि किसानों ने वापस जाना था लेकिन दूसरी तरफ निकाल दिए गए। और कुछ लोग जो थे वो जानबूझकर जो है वो इंसान संगठनों में भी जो है बात कर रहे थे कि आप हमने मतलब जो है आगे जाना है, उनको हमने नहीं एंटर करने दिया। लेकिन ये पूरा जो हुआ है इसकी जांच होनी चाहिए। किसान लोग बार बार पीसफुली जो है वो जो अपनी ये परेड करना चाहते थे जी। इसमें जो कुछ भी हुआ है इसकी जांच होनी चाहिए।
मिस्टर चीमा, आपने दूसरे किसान नेताओं से भी चर्चा करी होगी, आपका असेसमेंट क्या है, कौन है इसके पीछे जो ये वायलेंस हुआ कल?
इसका बेनिफिट किसको मिलेगा जी? अब किसानों को, किसान मूवमेंट को तो इसका नुकसान होगा ना जी। हमारा तो हर लीडर ये जानता था कि अगर वायलेंस होगी तो इसका नुकसान किसानों को होगा
जी। तो क्या आप सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट वाज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ट्रिगरिंग, कि केंद्र सरकार इसके पीछे है, उनका संरक्षण है इसको?
किसान आंदोलन को ताड़ पीड़ो करने के लिए बहुत सी ताकतें लगी हुई थी
जी।
और मैं सबसे पहले सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को ये तो जरूर पूछूंगा जी कि इतने दिन तक जो पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट चला किसानों का, तो किसानों को किसके लिए अभी रोका गया था? अगर ये सभी मामला खत्म हो जाता, तीनों कानून वापस हो जाते, नए कानून दोबारा कहाँ नहीं आ सकते हैं जी। ये बात अगर निबट जाती तो ये सभी बातें खत्म हो जाती। अब इस सारे मामले में जो कुछ भी हो रहा है उसका किसानों को तो, किसान जैसे तंजियों को तो बहुत दुख है।
अच्छा
रोहित, मैं चीमा
यस मिस्टर नाम्बियार, क्विक 30 सेकेंड सर।
मैं चीमा जी आपसे एक सिर्फ एक ही
जी
सवाल
चीमा
है
जी, नाम्बियार
कि
जी आपको रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हैं, 1 मिनट।
जब 26 जनवरी हम सबको पता है कि भारत का पूरे भारतीयों के लिए एक गर्व का दिन है, पूरी विश्व हमारी तरफ देख रहा है एक दिन। उसी दिन ऐसे एक आंदोलन करके किसान भाइयों ने क्या दिखाना चाह रहा था?
अच्छा,
हमारे
चीमा जी
देश
को जवाब देने दीजिए। मिस्टर नाम्बियार, लेट हिम रिस्पॉन्ड।
नहीं, हमारे देश को नीचे दिखाना चाह रहे थे, क्या दिखाना चाह रहे थे?
ऑलराइट, चीमा जी आप जवाब देना चाहेंगे क्विकली?
देखो ऐसा है
जी, बोलें।
देखो ऐसा है जी कि ये जो परेड थी ये पीसफुल परेड होनी थी, और हम तो अपने आप में ये साबित करना चाहते थे
यस
कि हम तो ये साबित करना चाहते थे कि फार्मर लोग पीसफुली हैं, वो देशभक्त हैं, वो देश में तिरंगा झंडा लेकर परेड करेंगे और दुनिया उनकी परेड देखेगी कि किसान जो आए हैं शांतिपूर्वक अपनी परेड कर रहे हैं।
जी,
तो हमारा
ऑलराइट मिस्टर नाम्बियार, लेट हिम रिस्पॉन्ड। मिस्टर नाम्बियार, लेट हिम
लोगों
रिस्पॉन्ड।
को भी बताएं, दुनिया को भी बताएं कि हम लोग शांतिपूर्वक मतलब यहाँ बैठे हैं और अपना प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, हमारी बात सुनी जाए दुनिया भर में।
जी, ऑलराइट, Mr. Chima, Mr. Gurjar, and Mr. Nambiar, thank you very much. I'm afraid that's all the time I have for this discussion. Thank you very much for joining us.